gun and it goes off. And how come all these words? Oh, there's a very pleasant side to you, a side I much prefer. It's one that laughs and jokes around. Remember cuddles in the kitchen, yes, to get things off the ground. And it was far away. Oh, but it's right hard to remember that on a day like today, when you're argumentative and you've got the face on. Just laugh and joke around. Remember cuddles in the kitchen, yeah, to get things off the ground. And it was by the way. Oh, but it's really hard to remember that on a day like today, when you're argumentative and you've got the face on. And yeah, I'm sorry I was late, but I missed the train and then the traffic was a state. And I can't be asked to carry on in this debate that reoccurs. Oh, when you say I don't care, but of course I do, I really do. So laugh and joke around. Remember cuddles in the kitchen, yeah, to get things off the ground. And it was by the way. Oh, but it's really hard to remember that on a day like today, when you're all argumentative and you've got the face on.